Hi, today I'm making a triple berry salad, and this is a beautiful salad. It has a quarter cup of blueberries, blackberries, um, about a half a cup of strawberries, as well as an eighth of a cup of red onion. I also have a cup of mixed nuts, any kind that you like, and a eighth of a cup of feta cheese. Next, I've added a bag of green leafy greens. So I set that aside to make a honey lime dressing. So it's one medium-sized lime, the juice of the lime, and a half a teaspoon of lime zest with 3 tablespoons of honey, as well as a quarter cup of olive oil, and you're going to kind of mix that together. And then I also added a eighth of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and so that's all ready to go. And all of my vegetables and fruits are cut up, and I've just arranged them in this order, where I have all of the different fruit sort of represented in this way. It's just a way to sort of artfully demonstrate this spring salad. You can also toss it. It's entirely up to you. But this takes 8 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes to cut the fruit and vegetables, and 5 minutes to make the honey lime dressing, and you have an incredible lunch. That's good for you, and it is tasty and light and easy to make.